Good morning, guys. It is early March, frosty Saturday morning. Me and some of my friends, we're going to go for a rip on the Rzrs today. You may have seen in the background some of my other videos, and I thought I'd just give you a little rundown real quick what I got going on. It's a 2018 XP1000, pretty much stock. I made a few touches here and there. Got some toolboxes, cooler in the back, some custom mounts. I might be able to go over those later. I think I got some buddies that want some of those as well. The hitch, the custom hitch that I built a couple weeks ago. No damage yet. But the day's still early, so there it is, and let's get going. Hey guys, on my way home now. Sorry I didn't get too much on video today, but it's kind of hard to video when the group really isn't on board with it. So I got a few clips there for you. Hope you guys enjoyed that. And remember at the beginning I said nothing's broke yet. Well, something broke. I was getting a check engine light and it was a misfire code. And if I just turned the key off and back on real quick, it was fine. But I just couldn't get into the throttle too much, or it would happen again. Well, we're almost back to the truck, and I got on the throttle once and the belt blew, and that apparently was making that misfire code come up. So I know now that if you're getting a misfire code on an XP1000, make sure you check your belt. Luckily I always carry a belt with me. About 10 minutes had it changed, and we were on the way. But now I'm late for an engagement this evening, so we're hurrying, and we'll get there though. A little bit different video today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give me the old thumbs up. If you thought it was dumb, give me a thumbs down. And if you want to see more of this crap, hit the subscribe and the notification bell, and you can see it all. All right guys, thanks.